For many Pell City homeowners, convenience and long-term value matter just as much as appearance when it comes to home upgrades. With warm summers, humidity, and changing seasonal conditions, windows must be durable without demanding constant upkeep. That's why vinyl windows have become one of the most popular low-maintenance window solutions in Pell City. Designed to handle local climate challenges while staying attractive and efficient, vinyl windows offer homeowners peace of mind and lasting performance. Here's why so many Pell City residents love vinyl windows. No painting, staining, or sealing required. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows is their low-maintenance nature. Unlike wood frames that require regular painting or sealing, vinyl frames maintain their appearance without ongoing care. Vinyl windows never need painting or refinishing, resist peeling, chipping, and cracking, retain their color over time. For Pell City homeowners who prefer to spend weekends enjoying their homes rather than maintaining them, vinyl is an easy choice. Built to handle heat and humidity. Pell City's climate includes hot summers and humid conditions that can cause some window materials to warp or deteriorate. Vinyl windows are designed to resist moisture and temperature fluctuations. Key benefits include resistance to swelling and warping, no absorption of moisture, consistent performance through seasonal changes. This durability helps vinyl windows stay reliable year after year. Easy cleaning keeps windows looking new. Vinyl windows are incredibly easy to clean. Most feature smooth surfaces that wipe clean with mild soap and water. Homeowners appreciate tilt-in sashes for easy interior cleaning, smooth frames that don't trap dirt, no need for special cleaning products. Simple upkeep helps vinyl windows maintain a fresh, clean appearance. Energy efficiency reduces utility costs. Vinyl windows aren't just low maintenance, they're also highly energy efficient. Modern vinyl frames often include insulated chambers that help reduce heat transfer. Combined with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, tight weather seals. Vinyl windows help keep Pell City homes cooler in summer and more comfortable year-round while lowering energy bills. Long-lasting performance with minimal repairs. Vinyl windows are built to last. Their solid construction reduces the need for frequent repairs, adjustments, or replacements. Homeowners benefit from smooth operation over time, durable hardware, fewer issues with sticking or misalignment. Less maintenance means lower long-term costs and fewer headaches. Stylish options without extra upkeep. Vinyl windows are available in a wide range of styles and colors that complement Pell City homes. Popular options include classic white or neutral tones, modern frame profiles, multiple window styles, including sliders and double hung. These options allow homeowners to enjoy attractive windows without added maintenance. Resistance to insects and rot. Unlike wood frames, vinyl windows are not vulnerable to termites, rot, or decay, an important consideration in warm climates. This resistance protects the home's structure, reduces maintenance concerns, extends the window's lifespan. Vinyl's durability provides extra peace of mind. Professional installation maximizes benefits. To fully enjoy vinyl windows' low maintenance benefits, professional installation is essential. Proper installation ensures tight sealing, smooth operation, and long-term performance. A smart choice for busy homeowners. Vinyl windows align perfectly with modern lifestyles. They deliver comfort, efficiency, and style without demanding constant attention. A low-maintenance window solution that lasts. Vinyl windows have earned their popularity among Pell City residents by offering reliable performance with minimal upkeep. From resisting heat and humidity to reducing energy costs and simplifying cleaning, vinyl windows make everyday living easier. For homeowners seeking a durable, low-maintenance window solution that stands up to local conditions, vinyl windows are a smart investment that delivers lasting value, comfort, and convenience.